the? Emergency alert! Oh, gotta see what a Jace looks like. Bro.
This is the test of the Summer Island Emergency Alert System. There is
Again?
no danger to your health
From
and safety.
2024?
If this was an actual emergency,
What?
you would now hear instructions for protecting yourself. Compatible mobile devices are now able to receive emergency alerts. For more information about the Summer
What the-
Island Emergency Alerts, please visit www.summerislandeas.com or install the EAS Summer
Ooh,
Island app on your mobile or tablet.
install! That's a great idea. I wanna install. Wait.